If you've ever wanted to make animated videos but had no idea where to start, you're in the right place. The good news is you don't need to be an artist, and you definitely don't need expensive software. In this video, I'll show you one way beginners can start creating animations that actually look good. Let's get started. So I'll go to Uploads and drag in my image, and then I'll put it right there. So let's open this up. The next thing I want to do is choose Background Remover. This is a paid tool, so click on that to get rid of that background. That's the first step. Next, I'll click here, go to Eraser, choose Magic Eraser, then enlarge this so I can see what I'm doing better. I'm going to erase most of this around his neck and chin, just like that. Now I'll enlarge the brush and get rid of all of that. Then I'll click Erase. Now I only have the head. That's just what I wanted. Alright, so I'll shrink it down like that. Now I'll come over here to Elements and search for Cartoon Man. I'll go to Graphics and look at some of these bodies. Let me add full body. Did you notice that some of these are missing a head? So I changed my prompt a little to look for a Cartoon Man teacher full body. Let me show you a trick to make this easier. Right now, I'm only looking at free pictures. Here's how I did it. I'll go right up here, click on this, then choose free, okay? Remember, I'm using a paid account, but this allows me to look at only the free options. This is the one I'm going to use, so I'll click on that, and then resize the head. I'll also go here to Edit and try to make the image better. I'll also click on Position and drag him over like that, so now he's on the top. Alright, so now I've got this caricature bobblehead of this guy, and I'm going to leave him just like that. Lastly, if I click on both of these, I can click here to group them together. And now when I move it, okay, it's all together. Next, I'll take this, go to Share, and download it. I'll save it as a PNG, raise the resolution a little, and then choose a transparent background. And then I'll download that. Now we'll go back to Canva, and I'm going to add a page right here. Next, I'll go to Elements and look for City Park. Let's use that trick again. We'll choose Free, and now all these graphics are the free ones. I'm going to choose this one and add it in here, then make it fill the whole page. This is going to be my background image. Then I'll go to Download, choose PNG, and download it. I'll go back to Canva's homepage and choose Video this time. I'll choose Landscape. Next, I'll go over here and drag in the man. So he has no background, but I'll choose Edit, and what I will do is come right over here to Image to Video. Click on this and tell it, make the character dance, then click Generate a Video. Okay, now it's finished. Click on Done and let's play it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Next, I'll take this, go to Share and Download, choose MP4 and download it. So let's continue on with the experiment. To separate them for now, I'll add a blank here, so there'll be some space between these. So I'll grab my background and drop it here, and then I'll take the video of this guy and go back to Uploads and drag it in there. There's my video, so I'll pull him down here and add him on top like this. Now I'll use Background Remover. Okay, let's play it. And there you go. You can see overall, this experiment worked pretty good. So we went from a head, added it to a new body, found a background that we liked, and now we've animated it. Cool. So this might be something you want to play with. Come here, try it for yourself. You might want to make something fun for your kids using one of their faces and make your own little cartoon. And remember, this was all done in Canva. So have fun trying this out. If this info is useful to you, please like and subscribe now. It really helps the channel grow so I can make even more videos for you.